Here are 20 athletes caught cheating on camera. Before we continue, don't forget to hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel. West Indian bowler Roger Harper proved to be one of the biggest cheaters in cricket when he falsely claimed a catch that he knew was not fully completed. Luckily, a review was done and the batsman was allowed to continue batting.
You would have to think must have known that ball had got away from him, whether he thought that
Footballer David Luiz thought cheating was funny. He was caught laughing after deliberately diving in a football match. He took deception to a new level. This goalkeeper was willing to cheat to keep his team in the football match. He deliberately dug up the pitch in the vicinity of the penalty line. This cheating resulted in an opposing player losing his balance and missing a penalty kick.
Modeste went for that corner and he slips as well. Did step up, his standing foot gave way. Well, have been a factor.
Den Punkt selber habe ich nicht bearbeitet, ich habe den Platz nebenan.
Figure skater Tanya Harding gained notoriety in 1994 when she was accused to have orchestrated one of the biggest cheating acts in sports history. Harding's ex-husband and his friends intentionally injured her colleague Nancy Kerrigan, who was Tanya's rival. Tanya denied any involvement but later pleaded guilty for hindering the investigation.
I don't know, some hard black stick. Something really hard.
Brazilian star Neymar Jr. is known for his theatrics on the football field. He sometimes goes overboard to get a call in his favor. This video clearly shows Neymar exaggerating an injury to possibly win a free kick. Not cool at all. Basketball player LeBron James overreacted to a touch in the face by an opponent. Everyone thought he was seriously injured, but the replay showed that contact was minimal and LeBron's reaction was delayed.
You see he's reaching up right there, and that's when he hits him on the chin.
LeBron making sure that the referee saw it.
Australian cricketer Cameron Bancroft was caught on camera using sandpaper to alter the condition of the cricket ball. This is strictly prohibited in cricket since it gives the bowling team an unfair advantage. Baseball pitcher Joe Niekro was caught with an emery board and sandpaper during a baseball game. He was using the objects to alter the condition of the baseball.
Yeah, checking him all over. I've never seen him do a search like this, quite like this before. And he's out of there. He's been kicked out of the game.
Golfer Patrick Reed very nicely cheated in a golf match. This footballer was so desperate for an advantage that he used the hand of an opposing player to hit himself. Filipino basketball player Mike Pinisi is seen flopping to draw a foul when patron Blazes Will McDonald threw the ball at his head. However, an instant replay shows his delayed reaction to it. Natalie Rodriguez pushed over Ethiopian Gleta Burka during the women's 1500 meter. Burka was knocked out to the ground as a result. Fortunately, Burka managed to pick herself back up and finish the race.
De tre beste her. Skal vi se det på nytt. Da ser vi den spanske jenta som rett og slett løper henne ned.
Du prøver å gå forbi på innsiden.
Innsiden, ja.
Det er
Så nesten ut som å dytte den nå.
Ja, hun dytter henne.
Rett og slett.
gullmedaljen. Det
Motorsport rider Romano Finotti disgracefully pulled a competitor's brake lever in a MotoGP race, which could have cost his life. He did this to get an advantage in the race. NFL player Antonio Brown was in the midst of a superb run and was eyeing a touchdown for his team. He, however, brutally kicked an opposing player and was penalized for his cheating.
Then he's going to make 9 other guys miss here. Just flailing away at number 84, but I don't know why Brown thought he had to do that. He had the easily if he sticks to his left, but instead tries to hurdle landing and puts his foot right in the face mask.
To the face of Spencer Lanning right there.
Baseball player Sammy Sosa was caught red-handed while cheating in a game in 2003. He had inserted a cork inside of his baseball bat before the match, but his cover was blown when his bat got broken and the game official saw the cork in the bat. Sammy Sosa picked up an 8-game suspension for the incident.
What's on the bat is really the bat, or if there's anything in there that shouldn't, is if the bat is corked. Have just the handle of the bat, they don't have the barrel of the bat. And Grzelcyk is going back that they were looking at. Now,
MotoGP rider Valentino Rossi was caught on camera kicking at a competitor. The competitor ended up falling from the bike and falling way behind in the race. Rossi was severely penalized for this cheating episode. Cheating is not only done by the players, coaches also get involved from time to time. This coach tripped an opposing player to get an advantage for his team. He was, however, identified and severely punished for his indiscretion.
On the Jets sideline. Well, it looked like he got tripped by one of the members of the Jets staff. This is just uncalled for in the NFL. Watch the knee here being stuck out on purpose to trip up Nolan Carroll. Not sure who that person is, but they should be ashamed of themselves.
Baseball player Will Smith was found with a sticky substance on his forearm, which officials determined was used to get a better grip of the baseball. Smith was immediately ejected from the game for cheating.
Checking his glove. I thought it was on his glove, but right, Jim Joyce went right to the wrist, felt the has been ejected. A foreign substance on the glove. Wow.
NFL coach Mike Tomlin deliberately obstructed a play from an opposing team in an NFL game, which resulted in his team breaking up the attack. The NFL authorities, however, caught up with him and he was charged $100,000 for the cheating maneuver.
Blocker in front for Sweeze. They had no chance whatsoever, and Cortez Allen is basically keeping the Steelers in this thing here, and you just wonder, he's trying to get out of the way there.
Brazilian football player Rivaldo pulled off a daring stunt in the World Cup match between Brazil and Turkey. He fell to the ground holding his face after a Turkish player kicked the ball and it brushed against his hand. Thanks for watching. Be sure to give a like if you enjoyed this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel.